Hi, welcome to another video. Today I am in St. Louis. Literally 10 minutes drive to the town of Torrevieja and the beaches, obviously. We're a couple of minutes walk that way or that way to the nature reserve of 𝗕𝗲𝗂𝘂𝗵 and Torrevieja, and the pink salt lake is just over the dual carriageway. Not that far away at all. 5-minute walk to the nearest bars, shops, restaurants, hairdressers, and a bus stop. The bus stop is for the bus that takes you into Torrevieja. It goes around the estate and it's fairly frequent actually. So this is a place that you could use for permanent living or for holidays. As always, the details will be in the description. The reference number is 4095. There'll also be a link to the website which will take you through, give you all the details you might need regarding price, location, photos and everything else. What we have is a link detached villa, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It is a shared drive, just so that you're aware of that, and you just share it with your next door neighbour. So this part of the property is private. That's the shared driveway that you use to get access to it. It's connected purely by the solarium, so you've got no noise from the neighbours at all. We'll come back to this later. That is access to the Underbuild. There is a garage, irrigation system for the plants here in the garden. Property does have its own pool. Storage area. The property is southeast facing. You can get the sun all day, obviously, because you have this solarium, which we'll see shortly. Glazed in terraces, low maintenance all around. Nice little oasis this. You'll also notice here you've got retractable 𝗕𝗲V𝗿, which will help if you need additional shade. And your own outdoor kitchen, barbecue, sink, fridge. Plenty of areas where you can escape the Spanish sunshine. Let's go and have a look inside. So you have this nice glazed in terrace area with glass curtains fitted. So these can open up on both sides if you so wish. And this leads into the living area. Central heating. From the living area, we have access to the kitchen, have access to the other entrance door. We have a small corridor that leads to the first 2 bedrooms and family bathroom, the utility area, and the stairs that go up. The kitchen has a selection of wall-mounted and floor-standing cabinets. All the windows are tilt and open. There's a selection of white goods and marble worktops. In the living area, you have a log burner fireplace, air conditioning, the first double bedroom, also air conditioned, fitted wardrobes, family bathroom, walk-in shower, second bedroom. Again, central heated, fitted wardrobes. The windows have mosquito blinds and persiennes fitted throughout where possible. Understairs utility area with the gas boiler and the washing machine. Moving up the stairs, marble staircase. The third bedroom. This bedroom also benefits from air conditioning, fitted wardrobes, ensuite bathroom with a bath and shower over. And from here you have access to the solarium. So as you can see from the solarium, there's storage units, and this property also benefits from solar panels. The solar panels are just the solar panels, but there is a virtual storage. So basically they sell their electricity that is over what their use is back to the electricity company, which they then use when they need it, when they're not generating solar. So the average bills throughout the year are around about €30 per month. There's a bit more to this villa than I've showed you already. Let's go downstairs. So as well as the 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms you've seen already, down here you have a games room. Or a storage, or your own little bar. So don't forget, reference is 4095 when you look on the website. If you're interested and you want more information, take a look on the website. You get all the photos, the location, that sort of thing. If you want to do a viewing, by all means get in touch. Details are on the screen. You can get hold of us via WhatsApp, email, or give us a call. Have a good one.